Senator Mudhama Agnes Kavindu.
Thank you, Madam Speaker, for giving me this opportunity to support this altered calendar of the Senate. I want to say, first of all, I think when the President wrote what he wrote or said what he said, he did not command, but gave a suggestion that the House can discuss, and that's why we are discussing it, Madam Speaker. And I want to say we should, even as we go on this session, we should think also of how our people are going to be protected. I just finished my campaigns, Madam Speaker, as you know, and most of the people in the villages cannot even afford a mask, cannot even afford a sanitizer. Even if we are doing whatever we are doing, we should also think of how the counties will supply these people with masks, sanitizers, and also educate them on how to take precautions, because majority of them are just ignorant. And also, most of them now, as we speak now, are saying that they have no food even to eat, they have nothing to use. So we should think of all those things, even as we think of the 214 billion that my fellow senator talked about. And with this kind of money, we should, our people should be able to get the vaccines that they need, and they should also get the masks and the sanitizers, even as we educate on them. Madam Speaker, with this, I support this changed motion. Thank you.